check out all these cosmetics. Let's go. Oh my god, I missed this. Oh,
You don't scare me.
I drink ice cold water with extra minty gum.
no, Jesus. Take that back, I take that back. You know what? I don't take that back. Matter of fact, come here. You want to keep baiting kids? What's up? What's up? What's up? Come on.
It's verbatim, and it's shaking.
No.
Slap but can also stroke.
No, listen, over here. This.
In the wind as a patchy of the tooth that is naked.
Watch. I dare you. Play tiptoe and follow me, man. Play tiptoe and follow me. You won't. Watch. He's not going to be able to play tiptoe and follow me. See? He's not doing it. He's fake. He's fake. See? He's not following me. Oh, snap. Yo, wait. I was joking, bro. I was joking. Yo, I was joking. Yo, wait, he's real, yo, guys, he's chasing me, guys, yo, oh my god, no, yo, come on, man, I'm leaving, no, I'm leaving.
This is crazy.
Yeah, you turn big when you drop that on the conveyor belt. Turn big when you drop on the conveyor belt, okay? And then do this. Shimmy your leg.
Bro, look at me. Somebody's going. Dude, no.
Okay, you have to watch this. This is super weird. Okay, so at this point, I'm just chilling in a private server, and some person just joins, and I am just genuinely confused at this point. But then this happens. I'm disconnected. How could this be? Okay, somebody just joined the server I was in. I'm not even connected to a room. Who on earth could this be? What happened? What is that?
A woman not most. It's a man that you can slap but can also stroke.
Are you bandit? It's a ghost, she's crazy.
A stroke.
Going in the wind as a patchy of the shaking. No more getting later. No more listless invitations.
I found Tiptoe in Gorilla Tag, and this happened.
Person in this code, bro. There can't be nothing crazy. I don't see shit. What the fuck? Tiptoe. What the fuck? Yo! No, I swear to God, no. Why is he so fast? What the fuck? Bro. Ah! No, no, no. I gotta get on this map. I gotta get out. I gotta get on this map. No. No! Why did I just leave? Oh, shit, what the fuck? No way this is real. No way this is real. No, yo! Yo! No, he's. Why is he so? Oh my god, get the fuck, get the fuck, get the. Where the fuck did he go? Ah! Ah! No! Please! I'm only black! I'm just black! No! Black! Ah!
A woman not much. It's a man you can slap but can also stroke.
Aren't like most the ghosts in the cave or something? I don't know. I'm kind of just talking to myself because Yo. Nah, this low-key sketchy, bro. Anything? Yo! Nah. What the fuck?
Oh yeah, I'm so good at that jump. Wait, someone just joined? Wide Eyes? Bro, who the hell is Wide Eyes?
Wait, what was that? Wait, I'm not unbanned. The fuck? Dude. Wait, what? No, no. What's up, dude? Bro, I'm so scared. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Bro, I'm so scared.
So I was playing by myself, Udall. I sped up the vid cuz I was practicing. Watch till end, it's crazy. Sorry for long wait.
No. No way.
Yo, this is not fake. I'm not in a lobby. What is this? What is this?
You sure aren't clever enough to listen to me.
It's called Moss. Oh my god, he is! He's above us! He's above the brainwash. He has no clip. You're gonna love this kid. That's I see him! He's over here! I touched him. He can't back. What? No, what? Touched him. What the? You can back him. You can back him.
he's dancing.
I'm gonna go out with a bang. I can hear him. And there goes spotlighted. No, wait, she's chasing him. What? He's chasing me. He's coming on moving. Shut up. No, he's not. Was that? He definitely was. Wait, why don't you swerve?
Oh, he's at the
I never feel sorted. Wait, shoot them. Are you coming for me?
He's pointing at fake Daisy 6. Oh, he's abandoned. He's abandoned. He's banning people. He banned that kid.
He's banning people. He's banning people. He's banning people. I think he's gonna save me for last. He's gonna save me for last. He's gonna save me for last.
You don't even know that.
Dude, yep. No, he's banning people. He's banning people. Most definitely.
He's gonna ban another one. Who's he pointing to?
Cheyenne! Goodbye, Cheyenne!
Uh-oh. What's his name?
He's not banned. I'm not banned. In a minute, something's crazy. Something crazy is going to happen. He called me. It's fine. It's me. It was me.
Oh, no.
What the?
Oh, crap.
Oh, no.
Where'd he go?
Oh, no.
Wait, where'd he go?
Oh, no. Guys, he's safe. He's saving me like a pizza slice.
Wait.
Dude, he's saving me like a pizza slice. Oh, no.
Everybody go after him! Who's he gonna ban next?
Dude, he's going to beach.
Everyone go to beaches!
We're behind the squad.
I met J3VU in Gorilla Tag.
What is that? Yo, what joined? What is that?
It's Jivu! It's Jivu! Bro, it's Jivu!
Javu.
It's called Jivu. Right here. J3VU.
Where's J3VU? Where's J3VU? Oh my goodness! What is that? Hold on, I'm up.
It's him. There. Look.
Ah, protect me, plushie.
Somebody touch it. Somebody touch it.
Whoa, where'd it go? Wait, check.
It's still on the server.
It's not there. It's not there.
I'm recording already. Wait, what is this?
That was scary.
Wait, how's he in here? Wait!
Going in the desert.